So I've been in touch with a few entrepreneurs today, and right now, most of us, depending if you're like a boutique or maybe a at-home type of entrepreneur, you like your head is everywhere, right? You need to keep to generate revenues, but you need to look for maybe some of your governments promise some help for you. So you need to find the information, but on the front end, you need to keep in touch with your audience, with the people who read your posts and watch your videos every day, like people used to read the newspaper. So here's a tip for you that I want to share because I've been experiencing it as I'm going through Instagram and Facebook and even LinkedIn. Some of you already changed the way you are operating. Some of you put in place special services or new products, or even you sell your products. If your boutique is closed, you sell it somewhere else, like in a grocery store. So if this is your case, you already have a new product, free or paid, or a new service, or anything that is new right now in your business, you need to tell your clients, you need to tell your audience, and you need to tell your potential clients, the one who are reading and stumble, like discovering you by mistake right now on social media because they spend their day on social media. So how can you do this? If you have like maybe a special live tutorial maybe that's the thing you had to put in place to keep in touch with your people because everything is closed. If you're a nail expert, maybe like every day you're gonna have a virtual tutorial about something around nails, right? Or maybe you have a new program that's called virtual evaluation or audit of your nails. Maybe that's a new thing that you put in place. Please make it clear when I land on your Facebook page, on your LinkedIn account, or on anywhere on social media that you have that new thing. So you can put it in your about section, or you can put it in your introduction, like the first line, or you can even put it on your cover image. So that and at one glance, I know that you're closed, but you have some openings online for me or another location of getting access to your product, if it's a grocery store or places that are still open. So that would be my advice because I've been through accounts that I really like and it took me forever to know if they're still selling or not, right? And some people need you and they're not gonna stop buying, sorry. So if you don't know me yet, I'm ANGÉLIQUE BINET. I'm the founder of Social Media Love. And I help women entrepreneurs to really unleash their inner rock star on social media so that they can position themselves very strongly, powerfully, and share their message with the world. And if this is you and right now you're stuck and you need some help on how to position yourself on social media, I have tons of free consultation that I open especially for this time, so don't hesitate. And you'll see on my cover image on Facebook, I changed it and it's clear, I hope, tell me, that now I have a bunch of consultations scheduled for you if you need me. And on Instagram, it's in the biography, right, the link. So don't hesitate. I hope those little videos help you one tip at a time because I know you're super busy. And if you want to go deeper, just book me, okay? Ciao, ciao.